Welcome to Ripple Effect, where every action sparks waves of hope. In many unseen corners of the world, families still live without light, clean water, or basic care. Today, your team becomes their lifeline, not with headlines, but with purpose and action. All four impact experiences unfold simultaneously, building RO filters, solar lanterns, nutrition boxes, and hygiene kits, bringing empathy to life and dignity to those who need it most. Teams will collaboratively design and build life-enhancing essentials. RO filters that bring safe, clean drinking water, solar lanterns that light up homes after dark, nutrition boxes packed with health and care, hygiene kits that restore self-worth and protection. Designed to uplift, practical, personal, powerful. Once your mission is mapped, it's time to create. Every filter, light, box, and kit is designed with compassion and real-world impact in mind. This is a purposeful creation process where function meets humanity. Deliver and celebrate. End on a meaningful note. As the experience concludes, teams will deliver their creations to real-world beneficiaries, families, communities, or local NGOs. Ripple Effect is more than a CSR activity. It's a journey of purpose-driven action. Walk away with strengthened team spirit, deeper empathy, and the joy of knowing your work created a ripple that reached real lives.